Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Hi, I'm John Holden, and welcome to Earth. We're starting off our show here at the Port of Los Angeles. This bustling port is the crossroads for big container ships and bumper-to-bumper semis meeting to carry cargo. But this California port is also leading the way in what future green mobility will look like for our country when it comes to zero-emission cars, trucks, and, yes, even boats. Let's take a look. California is well known for nonstop traffic and congestion, whether it be automobiles, trucks, or cargo ships. But it's also leading the way in its stringent pollution-fighting environmental programs for automobiles, semi-trucks, and the nonstop cargo traffic through its Port of Los Angeles.
We're the largest container port in North America, really in the Western Hemisphere. We move anywhere from 9.5 million to 10 million TEUs, that's 20-foot equivalent units on an annual basis. We have anywhere from 12 to 15,000 trucks moves every single day. We believe here at the Port of Los Angeles that climate change is the single biggest environmental crisis facing the world today. We think that we have to do something immediately to reduce our carbon footprint and to make a transition to non-combustion-based engine technologies.
One of those new engine technologies for zero emissions being tested is hydrogen fuel cells, capable of creating electricity to power vehicles, leaving water as its only emission. That research to create a zero emissions world through hydrogen cell research has been going on for decades at Toyota, including here at its R&D center in Gardena, California.
So the way that hydrogen vehicle works, if you can imagine an electrical vehicle, but instead of just using batteries, it's using a hydrogen fuel cell stack to produce the electricity on board. We believe fuel cell vehicles is the future, and we have many exciting products coming. Here we have the 2021 Toyota Mirai. This is our second generation Mirai. The second gen vehicle is rear-wheel drive. It's packaged in a way for the components to be having a low center of gravity. So we moved the fuel cell stack into the engine compartment, while the first generation, it was underneath the vehicle. I believe the future for us is to be able to drive this car across the country when we have a diversified hydrogen station network. And I would like to see hydrogen vehicles, not just in passenger vehicles and light-duty vehicles, but heavy-duty vehicles across the US.
Personally, my passion is to see sustainable technologies implemented in the future. I really believe that it's going to take a sort of variety of technology to achieve our goals as a society to reducing our carbon emissions.
And this need for zero-emission technology like hydrogen fuel cells is drawing much closer than you think. Here at the Port of Los Angeles, a goal of zero emission for any equipment that handles cargo has already been set for the year 2030.
The mayor of Los Angeles says that the 2020s are going to be the decade of action. Either we're going to say we did do something or we didn't do something about climate change, but we have to do something by 2030 or we may be at a point of no return for irreversible damage to this planet.
This is why the port has partnered with Toyota to also start testing that same hydrogen fuel cell technology in heavy-duty semi-trucks that carry those heavy containers at the port.
So we think hydrogen because it's scalable and it's also very good for large applications. So if you can put a fuel cell stack on the truck and store the hydrogen there, you can actually achieve those same fast fueling and long range and high cargo capacity you'd expect from a diesel truck normally.
It's awesome to know that you're driving something that is cleaner air. The only thing coming out of that truck, that tailpipe, is water on the ground.
And it's not just trucks and cars being powered by hydrogen today. ocean vessels are too, including the very first hydrogen-powered ship to ever sail around the world. Powered only by the sun, wind, seawater, and hydrogen fuel cells, the Energy Observer is now on its 4th year of a 7-year voyage around the globe to show how a ship can sail the high seas without leaving behind a trace of carbon footprint.
The mission is to showcase that smart grid, a complete smart grid from the drop of seawater to the propeller is a working system, that it is reliable, simple, affordable actually, that the technology today is mature, it's ready, it's not for tomorrow, I mean it's available now.
It's all about proving a cleaner world is possible by using renewable energies like hydrogen in our cars, trucks, and boats, so that we can all explore this good Earth without leaving a trace behind. I'm John Holden. Thanks for watching.